Hi, please read the description to understand the purpose of this software or watch the first video of this series. This video will explain the options available to the manager. Let us log in as a manager. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 4 5 and the current password for the manager is Delair 123 DALER 123. Welcome Delair Singh, you are logged in as a manager. The admin options have now increased. You can view feedback. So this is a positive feedback or negative feedback which can be searched just for positive or just for negative. That's the first menu option under admin. The manage doctor schedules and manage user appointments, the last two were discussed in the previous video. They are also available to the administrator. Manage test data is to create test data for testing purpose, which will be removed later on when the software is implemented. The many options which will be discussed here are manage users, manage doctors, and manage time slot. Let's go with manage users. So it displays of existing users here, and if any user you want to delete, you can go with that. Let us delete one of them. You can edit a user, or you can view more details of a user. Let's go with more details of a user. There you go, close, and you can edit the user. So there's nothing much to explain, just you can change the values and update user and it will be displayed. So let's just do a test. John, and okay, I'll just change the address. Instead of saying Sydney Road, I'll also say Sydney Drive. Update user, and now if I view, I can see that 25 Sydney Drive is the new value which has been stored. Close. So you can change the details, you can delete, you can edit, and you can view users. You can add a new user by using the add user button. So just like a sign up process, you have to fill in the Medicare card number. Let's go with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 5, and I'll go with something, say temporary, and some password and insert. See, the new value has been displayed on the top row. So that's fine. Let's go to the next menu option, manage doctors. They're all similar, it's the same thing. You can change the doctor, you can edit the details of the doctor, which is just the qualification of the doctor. So close, you can say PhD, update doctor. Here we go, we got the PhD there. You can change the doctor, so instead of Dr. Mariam Delavery, we can go with Mariam Delavery KAUR and change doctor. It's a new doctor now. See, we can see that that doctor has been changed, and we can view the details. It's already there, so could have been removed, and you can delete the doctor if you want. You can add a new doctor. This new doctor, and you can qualifications MBBS. Insert the doctor. Data is being constructed. Please wait for this window to close automatically. Do not close this window. Data created successfully for the new doctor. You can close this window safely now. So this is where the time slots and the schedules are created for the doctor, for the new doctor which you have added. So close. You can also again delete that doctor. Delete successful. You will quickly delete that. All done. The next menu option is the time slot. In the time slot, you can add a new slot. or you can delete it. So these are the only two options available. If you do something wrong, if you have added a wrong time slot, you can just delete it and create the time slot again, which satisfies the purpose. That's it. You can search for time slots. So if you got a time slot at 11, you can see all of them just shortlisted and can choose the specific one to see if it exists or not. And that's all it is. So after you have done all of that, you can log out and you will get the message you are successfully logged out. Thanks for watching.